Hi, I'm Amy with craftpets.com, and these are our stencils for wood signs. These stencils have endless possibilities, creating personalized wood signs, wedding or anniversary gifts, rustic wall art, and more. Our stencils come in 5 different materials to enable you to have the perfect stencil for your wood project needs. You'll see your options on the drop-down menu on our website: vinyl, low-tack vinyl, mylar, galvanized steel, and aluminum. Vinyl is self-adhesive and great for single-use projects. Low-tack vinyl is self-adhesive also, but can be reused a few times before losing stickiness. Mylar is the most popular. It's a pliable and durable plastic stencil that is reusable countless times. Galvanized steel and aluminum are heavy-duty, rigid metal stencils. When choosing your font and design, please note all of the stencils will have bridges in the letters except for our single-use vinyl. You can order these stencils in about 40 fonts that can be sized from 1.5 inches to 48 inches tall, with a correlating width depending on the font you've chosen. So many signs to make with these user-friendly stencils. Order yours today on craftpets.com.